Hi, little scholars. My name is Ashley. Today, we are going to do 3 fun activities, all math activities. The first one is going to be a matching game. For the matching game, you will need a set of cards. Your set of cards needs to be numbered. Now, to play the matching game, you will need to have 2 cards that are the same, at least 2 number cards that are the same. And you don't have to have fancy cards like these. You could use index cards and make your own number cards. Just make sure you have at least 2 that are the same so that you can play the matching game that I'm going to show you how to play today. Making sure that you have all your pairs in your deck that you're going to use, because you don't have to play the game with the whole deck. I've just selected a few. I'm going to shuffle my cards so that my matches are no longer together. And I'm going to lay them out. They're all mixed up, and I'm going to lay them in different places. And I will show you what this looks like. Alright, so here you can see I have all my cards laid out in different places. And they're face down. So I'm going to start by flipping one of my cards over. And I have number 6. So now I'm going to pick another card. And this one is 12. These are not matches, so I will need to put them back in the same spot that I picked them up from. And try again. 10. 6. Well, now I have that 6, so I'm going to put these cards back exactly where I found them. I'm going to hold my 6 because I'm playing by myself, so I don't need to take turns with anyone. And can I remember where I put the 6? Who can remember? Who can help? I found it! I remembered where the 6 was, and now I have a match. I'm going to keep going. 10. Where did I put the other 10? Look at that. I promise. I'm only using my memory. Matches. Let's see, 5. Now we know an octopus has 8 legs, but they put it on the card for 5. This was just luck. I had never turned this over before, and I got it. I got the 5. So much fun playing this matching game. 4. Let's see. 7. Now I'm going to put it back exactly where I got it. I'm going to set both of them down, and I'm going to try again. 12. Nope. No match. Let's see. 7 and 7. Yay! And 4 and 4. Yay! I got it. Very, very cool. I hope you enjoyed playing that matching game with me, and I hope that you have fun playing your own matching game. Matching games are great for alphabet. Matching games are also great for sight word practice or vocabulary word practice. Very fun game. The next math project that we're going to do is a graphing project. Graphs are when you represent numbers in a special way. For example, there's all different sorts of types of graphs. This is going to be a simple line graph. So out of my beads, I just grabbed a handful. And what I want to do is I want to graph out the different colors. So, for example, in my beads, in my hand, I have all these different colors and I want to put the light colors together. Then I will be able to see how many I have. And I'm going to do a line graph, so I'm going to put them in a line. I'm going to place them in a line going up, and I'll show you what that looks like in just 1 second. So here, well actually, can I do this? There, maybe you can see that. There's 3 white beads, and there's 2 blue beads so far. And I'm going to keep making sections for the beads that are the same, groups for the beads that are the same. So I'll do pink, and then I'm going to do green. So I'm picking out all my pink beads, and I am lining them up because we are doing a line graph. We are making a line graph out of our beads. So I am going to do white, blue, pink, and purple, 4 different colors. And then I'm going to show you my line graph now that I've made it. And the line graph is important because it helps us sort large numbers of things more easily. See how easy that was? I went from having a handful of beads to having a neat, organized representation of the different number of beads that I have. So for example, let's count our beads. For our blue beads, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, all in a line. So these are our blue beads. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have 2. Here we have 2 green beads and 4 pink beads. When you are making a graph, you can also make your graph like this. You can take a piece of paper and you can have your different categories. Blue, white, green, and pink. So these are representing the different color beads we had. And we'll place our beads on top. The white might be difficult to see. There, we have our blue, white, green, pink. This is our line graph. We can also number our graph. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Here we have a graph. Great for organizing and helping us count. We can also use our beads to help us count things. For example, if we want to know how many blue beads and how many pink beads we have all together. All together means that we're going to add. 1 1, 2, 3, 4 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4 pink. Now, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 blue and pink beads all together. Let's see how many white and green beads we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 white beads. 1, 2 green beads. Now, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 white and green beads all together. I hope you enjoyed our math games today. I hope that you will graph things of your own. I wonder how many teddy bears you have. I wonder if we can make a graph of how many teddy bears you have, how many pink teddy bears you have, and how many brown teddy bears you have. Or cars, toy cars. How many toy cars do you have? How many toy trucks do you have? Could be fun to do at home. I also hope that you enjoy playing our math match game. And remember, you can play the matching game not just with numbers, but with your sight words or with your alphabet. Just make sure that you have 2 of the same so you can match them up. And you don't have to have fancy ones. You can make your own. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.